Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use on-screen zoom on your ThinkPad X13s. To use the on-screen zoom on your laptop, you simply have to use the combination of Windows and equals, or basically Windows and plus combination of keys, and then Windows minus will change your zoom level to no zoom. So basically you can press Windows plus as many times as you wish to increase the zoom level, and then Windows minus in order to decrease it. And this way you will activate the magnifier menu on your display, where you can either change the zoom level using plus and minus icons. You can reset the zoom level using the following two icons. You can read the text from the screen by clicking play icon.
Play/pause.
You can also select the language, select where you want to start reading from by clicking right here, and then clicking the thing on your screen that you want to read aloud. And you can also go to the magnifier settings right here, and here you'll be able to adjust the magnifier speed or to change the voice speed of the magnifier. And you can also change the voice of the reader in here. And to go to more settings, you can either go right here, or if you want to open the magnifier directly from the start menu, then open it, go to settings, then go to accessibility features, and then we're gonna have to find magnifier. Here in the magnifier settings, you'll be able to either turn it on or off by switching the toggle to the right or to the left. Then you can also adjust the zoom level in here. You can also change the zoom increments, and you can adjust the magnifier view. So we can expand this list and select one of the three available views. The default one is the full screen view, but you can also use the docked view, which will open the additional panel on top of your screen, and the lens view, which is basically the lens on your screen. It looks like this. And also, if you click the view, you will be able to see the list of settings for each of the views. So if we select, for example, the docked view, we'll be able to change its following options. So we'll be able to enable or disable magnifier to stop or start the magnifier from following your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor. Now for the full screen magnifier, we have the same following functions, and we also can choose where we want to keep the mouse pointer or the text cursor. And we have two options. We can either keep them within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen all the time. And these options apply to both mouse pointer and the text cursor. And in case of the lens magnifier, we can change the lens size by moving these sliders and adjust this way we can adjust the lens size to our needs. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.